What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. All right, so I'm working on this Ford Expedition, and if you're new to detailing or maybe you're barely getting started and you run into like an oh crap moment, right? Usually when I get customers that inbox me, I ask them a couple questions just to kind of get an idea of how the interior could be. I also ask for pictures. Therefore, when I get somebody that inbox me, the first couple of questions I ask is, what year is the vehicle? When's the last time you did a deep clean on the vehicle? Do we smoke? That is a very important question, and I'm gonna tell you why here in the next clip. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. All right, so I'm pretty much done with the with cleaning all the interior. Now we're gonna start the extraction process, but before I do that, guys, I actually wanted to show you guys something that maybe you guys have encountered in the past, or maybe if you are just starting, like I said, your business career, you may encounter this. Don't panic, guys. It is okay. So I'm gonna bring you guys real quick to a little bit closer and kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. So this customer, I believe he smokes in his vehicle, so and also the maintenance, it needed a good cleanup, but when you smoke in a vehicle, especially if they do it with the windows rolled up, the smoke, the ashes, that tends to build up through time. And if they smoke a lot in the vehicle, I honestly believe that the smoke kind of with time burns the plastics. Okay, I don't know if it sounds crazy, I know, but I honestly believe that with time, there's so much smoke and that you do inside, it penetrates through the materials and slowly diminishes the color. All right, many have said sometimes it's an APC is too strong, the product you use is too strong, but I honestly believe when working on a vehicle that is heavily smoked in, the ashes tend to burn the materials. That's just me. I don't know this scientifically, so don't put it on me, but I honestly believe that when you smoke in a car, you tend to diminish the value of your interior. So let me bring this camera around really quick and I'm gonna show you guys, and I don't want to waste a lot of your time, so just bear with me as I flip this camera around. Perfect. Now let me bring you guys in a little bit closer to this so we can see all together, and I will wrap up this video and hopefully the camera captures it. All right, so as you guys can see, guys, right here it's white and the inner pocket is also white. All right, this is, I honestly believe, 100% caused by the smoke. When you smoke inside your vehicle, you diminish, it slowly starts fading all the interior, especially if you don't clean your vehicle. All right, so if you ever encounter this problem, don't panic, guys, especially if you're new. What I used was the Serrano sauce 10-to-1, 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. It cannot damage the plastics or leather or anything like that. I have used this so many times and it's not caused by the APC that I'm using. All right, I'm gonna take you guys to the other side real quick and show you the finished product and how you can fix that. Alrighty, guys, so pretty much this side was exactly the same. It was real dull, real faded, and then the inner pocket was white, just like the other sides. So how did I fix this, guys? I ended up grabbing my aqua gloss detail gun, and I did it 1-to-1, and then I sprayed it with my air compressor. All right, this is what I use, and what I tend to do usually is I will spray it and then I'm gonna let the product work itself in there, and then when I'm about to head out, guys, that's when I usually tend to come back and wipe it off, and it leaves you a really nice finish. All right, It's not gonna be shiny, it's not gonna be sticky. It just gives you that nice blend into all the material. That's the way I do it. So if you ever encounter this problem, guys, don't panic. It's easily fixable. So, you know, if you ever have one of those oh crap moments like this one, you know, I hope this video helped you guys to kind of bring you down at ease and maybe know how to fix the issue. So God bless y'all. We'll see you on the next video.